YouTube. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I got these baby boomer nails using Polygel as well as nail forms. So if you want to see how I got today's look, then just keep watching. So I got these nail forms from Sally's and I was like, bet, because let's try something different than tips. So I took that little thing off and I applied it to the back. And I don't know why I did this. I don't know why people do this. I don't know if it like helps the form be more durable. I'm not sure. So if you know the reason as to why people do this or as to why I did this, please comment it down below in the comment section. I would love to know. I love to educate myself. So here I applied a white polygel to the very tip of my natural nail, and I'm working that down to form, I was going for like a stiletto and then I changed my mind and went ballerina at the very last minute, or coffin, not sure. But yeah, I took it down to a number 7. I'm not sure if you wanted to know that, but FYI, there you are. And I'm basically just forming, you know, just the tip of the nail. And where I applied the actual dollop of the white polygel, I'm keeping that area very thin. And I'm cleaning my sidewalls, making sure that's all good. And I went to cure it. See how that looks like that? So now I'm going to pop it in the lamp and I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. And now I'm going in with the color dark pink and I'm going to apply a dollop of that to my actual nail bed area. Just like that. And I'm going to pat that in around my cuticle area, around my actual nail bed, and I'm going to bring it down into the white and make it fade, or you know, to a nice soft ombre. Now this is polygel, so you have all the time in the world to work with it. It's not going to dry up on you until you cure it, so you know, take your time with it. If you apply too much like I did, just use your spatula and just wipe it away, and then just go in and, you know, keep blending until, you know, your arm falls off or until your heart desires. Now that amount there was a little bit, it wasn't as opaque as I would like it to be. So right here I'm going in with another dollop to make it more opaque. And I'm keeping this very thin. I'm not building any structure. I'm not building an apex. I'm keeping it very thin. Now, our last step to this is going in and encapsulating everything we just did, all that hard work, with clear polygel. And the reason why I'm working in thin layers is because if I was to go in and just foul this like that, all that hard work that I just did, all that dedication, all that blood, sweat, and tears, baby, I'm just gonna foul that away, and that's gonna be pointless. So you got to go in with the clear, put it on top, and then that way you'll be filing into the clear and not your actual design. And here I applied way too much clear, so as you can see, that was a little bit way too much. I was a little heavy-handed, but you know, it's cool. You just got to learn your ratios, and I did for the rest of my nails. And you know, I'm just going to pat that into place. I'm going to make sure I build my apex up nice and strong, and towards the tip of the nail where the white is, I'm going to make sure that that's thin, because I ain't trying to be filing until my elbow fall off. And once I cure that for 60 seconds, I'm going to wipe off the tacky layer, and boom, look at that. So if you aren't subscribed, I would love it if you subscribe to the Banks family. All you have to do is press that subscribe button. And if you like today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Share it with your family. You know, do what you got to do. Click that bell if you haven't already, and you can personalize it to all. And if you do that, that way you'll know every time I upload. Whenever I upload, YouTube will let you know, like, hey, look, Anylah just uploaded another dope ass video. Come look at it. Come watch it. So yeah, so I applied another nail form on, and I'm just showing you again on my pointer finger how I did it. And I'm just repeating these same steps for all of the nails. And like I said, I was going for a stiletto at first, and then I changed my mind once I got to filing, and I did, I believe it's a ballerina or a coffin. I always get confused between the two. I'm not sure. whatever this is, comment it down below for me and let me know the actual term for this shape that I did. And if you have any recreations or any suggestions of videos or content that you would like me to create, I would love to do so. All you have to do is drop your idea down there in the comment section below. I read them all. I respond to everybody. And yeah, at the very end, I decided to apply some Swarovski crystals. So I did that to all 5 fingers, but I tried to, give it a little pizzazz because, on this channel, we don't do ugly nails. We only do cute nails. So, I had to bling it up a little bit. So with further ado, I'm going to let you watch the rest of the video. And until next time, bye.